Whoa, what up, what's happening? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're gonna make this one quick and sweet. You know what I'm saying? What we have is the Yeezy Boost 700 in the Mauve colorway. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. But I'm gonna just put a disclaimer out there. I'm not a fan of Yeezy, I'm not a fan of his shoes, but I'm gonna bring y'all the content anyway, you know what I'm saying? So here it is, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 in the Mauve colorway. Now I can't really knock the material or I don't have no complaints about the construction of the shoe, meaning I don't see no glue stains and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just not a fan of Kanye West, the individual. You understand what I'm saying? So take that how you may, but just respect my mind with it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I think it's a real hyped shoe. I don't understand what all the hype about, but it is what it is, man. Now looking at the bottom, you see you got it's almost like a gum sole, but it's a little bit more toward the tan side to me. You can see the Boost sprinkled in throughout under there. On the side, you see the mesh. You got your little hits of lime green. On the inside, you got your brown insole with Yeezy in black. You got your suede hits on the back. I mean, I can't complain about the shoe, man. Like I said, I gotta hold my judgment on it, man, because I'm not a fan of this dude. You know what I'm saying? Now you see on the toe box, you got your suede, you got your mesh, you got two different colors, like two different shades of brown right there in the front. I mean, on the side, you see the mesh, you see your three stripes. I don't know if you can see it, but trust me, it's there. Now looking at the other shoe, it's identical, no difference between the two. You know what I mean? Now, I expect this shoe to sell out more than show. People gonna go crazy about it. I'm not sure when the release date is. You know what I mean? So excuse me if I ain't on what I'm supposed to be on with these, but it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to everybody that's trying to get these, that wear the Yeezys. I don't have no problem with you. You know what I'm saying? You buy what you want. You cop what you like. You know what I'm saying? It's your money. But I'm just not a fan. You know what I'm saying? Now you can see your hits of Boost under the bottom, and you got your Adidas logo at the back. Okay, so that's pretty much it, man. That was my look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 in the Mauve colorway. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel. It's still the same gang, just a different YouTube name, man. And I'ma holla back.